In this video, we're checking out this cacao powder from Viva Naturals. This is an organic cacao powder that is rich and flavorful, can be used for a lot of different things. I'd like to thank Viva Naturals for sending this out to us to try. But this just lets you know, it says Viva Naturals aromatic cacao powder comes from a unique blend of prized cacao beans, creating a deep, rich flavor. The beans are expertly roasted and gently milled into a fine, silky powder that delivers a world-class taste without the guilt of added sugar or saturated fat. There's a lot of different things that you could do with this. This can be used to mix up a mocha-inspired smoothie, shake, milk, or coffee. You can sprinkle it on yogurt, oatmeal, ice cream, or your favorite dessert. You can bake it in brownies, cookies, cakes, or muffins, replacing traditional cocoa powder with the 1-to-1 ratio. It says to store this in a dark, cool place to store it. But looking at the ingredients are organic cacao powder. That's it. That's literally all that's in here. And it's packaged in the USA here. So one serving is 1 tablespoon here. And you get about 75 tablespoons in this bag. But what I do with this, I have a couple of different things that I like to use this for. I like to use this for my coffee to make a mocha drink. So what I do is I brew coffee, I add heavy cream to it, and I put about a tablespoon of this in there, and then I use my frother to mix that up really well. Another thing I do is at night sometimes for a nice evening, I don't know, like a snack dessert. I'm doing keto right now, so what I'll do is I'll take a coconut cream and mix a little bit of milk into that and then blend some of this into it to make a nice chocolate drink at night. You can drink it cold, you can warm it up. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I've got my cup of coffee here with a little bit of cream in it. I'm going to put some cacao powder into it and give it a try. But just to show you, this is what the bag looks like. I think the total weight is 1 pound. Also a couple things here. This is gluten-free. It's organic, USDA organic, non-GMO, vegan, and again, I already said gluten-free. So how I'll do this is I'll get a scoop of this out of here. This is a very fine powder, so you want to be careful because it can be messy. But as you can see, it packed in there pretty tight because it's so fine. So we'll put that in there. Get my frother going here and just give it a good mix. And because of the fact that it is so fine, you might have to mix it a little bit longer, but I just started and it's already very smooth. I don't see any chunks at all, so I think we're good here. My frother's a little crazy for this cup though. So I will take this out and let you see. I'll bring the camera around really quick. So as you can see here, it's nice and mixed up there. There's not any, no visible chunks in there. And I just did that for a couple seconds. So you can see there, mixed up nicely with my coffee. So I'm gonna give this a try. All right, put my frother down. This is good to go. It's very good. It's not sweetened. It just gives it that great cocoa flavor. Anyway, very good. So if you're looking for a great cacao powder, organic, definitely check this one out from Viva Naturals.